From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if I told you there's a clock radio out there that's so good, it'll make you wonder how you ever woke up without it? The Sangean RCR-40 AM/FM-RDS/Bluetooth/AUX digital is the game changer you've been waiting for. This little gem combines the classic wood finish you'd expect from a high-end stereo, with the modern convenience of Bluetooth connectivity, giving you the perfect blend of old and new. One of the things that really sets it apart is its rich, warm sound. It's like having a private concert in your bedroom every morning. The texture of the wood finish is also surprisingly nice to the touch. It's smooth and cool, giving it a really premium feel. But what really gets me excited is the Bluetooth feature. It's so easy to pair your phone or tablet, and the sound quality is amazing. You can stream your favorite music or podcasts with ease, and the result is a perfectly balanced sound that's not too loud or too soft. This product is extremely well reviewed, with many customers who've purchased and loved it, and it's easy to see why. It's just so versatile. You can use it to wake up to your favorite radio station, or to stream music while you're getting ready for work, and the best part is, it's so easy to use, even on the most groggy of mornings. I've used it to wake up to the sound of my favorite radio show, and it's been a total lifesaver. No more jarring alarm clocks or annoying buzzers, just a smooth, gentle wake-up call that gets me ready to take on the day. Overall, the Sangean RCR-40 is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a reliable, feature-packed clock radio. It's the perfect addition to any bedroom, and I highly recommend giving it a try. Trust me, you won't regret it. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.